Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Steam not enough disk space error. So usually when we install games in our Steam, in this window it will usually say 0 gig free, even though we have so much space available. To fix that, what we need to do is go to our settings and click on storage. Now in the storage, we'll see the different drives where we have installed our games. Now, for example, if I click on this new volume, it would usually say 0 gig free. So what we need to do is click on remove library and click confirm. Usually all the games here will be removed, but do not fret because we can put this back later on. So just click on add drive there and go to your drive where you've installed your games. Now select folder and that drive will come back along with the games. If that method doesn't work, you can go to your downloads, scroll down, and you can see clear download cache. Just clear cache there, click confirm, restart your Steam, and log in.
Go to setting option
and try launching the game again.
Part where you
Hope
want
this
keep the
helps.
download